We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show how you can switch and change the viewing angle for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So first you will need to launch the IPC 360 app, then go into the camera settings. Here open the viewing angle section, and now you can switch its viewing angle between horizontal normal and horizontal reverse. So before we actually switch anything, let's see the difference. So that's how the horizontal normal view looks, and if we were to flip it horizontally, that one will look now. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.